This Audi Q7, which cost 1.3 million yuan brand new, was picked up for just 8,000 yuan. The exterior doesn't look too bad, but I know deep down that the mechanical parts are definitely full of hidden issues. Let's see if this is a bargain or a disaster. You decide the price after the restoration. With the exterior and interior stripped, let's move on to the mechanical parts. The bolts are stuck. Time for the impact wrench to do the work. Finally, separating this V8 engine from the body. Engine teardown begins. The common curse of old cars: oil leaks. And coolant leaks will fix them all at once. An engine this blackened is extremely rare. It's hard to imagine how much the previous owner neglected it. Another masterpiece by the previous mechanic. 7 plugs pulled out of only for cylinders. The bolts are completely buried under layers of grease. Engine teardown complete. Assessing the damaged components. Damaged timing guides, slight scoring on main bearings, and heavy carbon buildup on pistons and rings. Ultrasonic cleaning for all parts. With OEM parts sourced, engine reassembly begins. Torquing bolts to spec, marking verified bolts. Replacing the valve stem seals to completely eliminate oil burning. Engine assembly complete, refurbishing the intake manifold. Cleaning process. Restoration complete, looking sharp and clean. Registered and organized all components. Sandblasting the chassis to remove rust and grease, making every part look brand new again. Final anti-rust treatment, spraying steel armor paint to ensure permanent protection. Refurbishing finished, starting reassembly. Applying cavity wax to prevent corrosion from the inside out. Bodywork and painting, full sanding, priming, and degreasing, followed by BASF silver water-based paint. Full interior reupholstery, excited to see the final results. Cleaning carpets and interior to eliminate odors. Chassis cleaned and undercoated for protection. Full restoration complete. Please enjoy.